So when the doorbell ring at my house, I already know what time it is. Modifications, modifications, modifications. Got them window louvers for the scat. Oh yeah. Get ready to get that installed. So the first thing you got to do before you put on the window louvers, make sure you clean your window real good. Clay bar, Windex, make sure you use microfiber towels. As you can see, I already went ahead and clayed mine. So all I gotta do is get ready to go ahead and put on the louver. Then the next step is to put on the brackets. They come with a washer and a bolt. Put it on like that, and then you also got to put on the these strips right here. It'll help it from vibrating. Weatherproof strips. And then next thing you got to do is just go ahead and put on the window. And once you get the louver all lined up, you put it on. Make sure everything is secure. Then you remove the bolts. Take it back off so then you can apply firm pressure to make sure these don't come off. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. Knock that out. And then once you get that nice and secured on there, you go ahead and put the louver back on. Tighten down the bolts. And there you have it. Easy install. Louvers from Icon Motorsports. Got them on eBay.